Linggo na naman ngayon, November 24, 2024. Magbabasa na naman tayo ng Biblia. Satan tested Jesus to find out if his intelligence was positive and he really loved and respected his creators. Having discovered that they could place complete confidence in Jesus, Jesus was allowed to go and accomplish his mission. In order to rally people to him, Jesus performed miracles which in reality were the application of scientific teachings shown to him by the creators. Sufferers from every kind of illness were all brought to him, and he cured them. Matthew chapter 4 verse 24. A leper approached him. Jesus stretched out his hand, touched him, and said, "Be clean again." And his leprosy was cured immediately. Matthew chapter 8 verse 2 to 3. And he did the same for a man who was completely paralyzed. The operation was carried out from a distance using a concentrated ray, something like a laser, which burns only one spot. Arise and walk, and he rose. Matthew chapter 9 verse 6 to 8. Detalyadong i-explain ko ang topic na ito mamayang 10 o'clock ng gabi sa aking YouTube channel.